Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Leroy Sidambe must be threatened by now after multi-millionaire Edwin Sodi told his side chick Mihlali Leroy that he misses her. There's no denying that Mihlali is a beautiful girl who has a lot of men waiting for her and would do anything to be with her, you guys. Now, after Mihlali went on Instagram Live, one particular comment by the Edwin Sodi grabbed the attention of so many users, and people were saying that Edwin could be Leroy's karma, you guys, after he left his loving wife, Mary Jane Sidambe, for Mihlali Ndamase. But Tobare, if Mimi hooked up with Edwin Sodi, that would be Leroy's karma for leaving his wife and actually moving in with Mihlali, as it was allegedly reported, you guys. But it does not seem like Mihlali is ready to let go of Leroy, as she mentioned that the current relationship that she is in, she is actually willing to quit her work for you guys. Now, poor Mary Jane Sidambe had to attend the deb in July all by herself, while her husband was also seen at the deb in July in the same marquee as her with Mihlali, you guys, the side chick. Now, people were saying that Edwin Sodi is what Mihlali needs and that they can't wait for the day that Leroy Sidambe actually gets his medicine and actually taste it. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Like, comment, subscribe. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.